Greetings traders, this is for Pti Trading Institution. I welcome you to this wonderful broadcast. Today I just want to break down to you true support and true resistance. What make a true support and a true resistance? So if you are to see maybe other traders, they will draw something here. They'll say, okay, this is my resistance level and this is my support level. They will do this and say, okay, what we are waiting for now, we are waiting for price to bounce here and go down and bounce and go down and bounce. So what you need to know, firstly, what you need to know when you want to spot true resistance and true support. I will make this video very, very brief. Let me just get straight into it. What you have to know when you are drawing support and resistance, you need to focus firstly on the size of the wave. On the size of the wave, how big is your wave? Is your wave truly enough to so that we can make a conclusion that this is support or this is a resistance? And another thing, you need to use multiple time frame confirmation, that if this is a resistance, is my higher time frame telling me the same story? If this is a true support, is my higher time frame telling me the same story? So what you need to know about the size of the wave, what you need to focus on is that some people, I've seen a lot of people, like when the market is doing this and it begin to do this and it begin to do this and it begin to do this, people will say, okay, this is my resistance. Look at the size of this wave and look at the size of this wave. It is not enough that you can make conclusion and say this is your resistance level, because it is not compared to the impulsive wave. Your wave should be at least 50 or 45% like this. Then you can make conclusion that, okay, this is my support. But if maybe your wave is this small, you can't make conclusion here and say it is your resistance or it is your support. So firstly, check the magnitude or the size of your wave. For an example, in this chart here, you can see that this looks like a resistance, but however, it is not a resistance at all if you are to check at what the big boys are seeing at the hard time frame. For an example, you see what we are seeing in a hard time frame. There is nothing special about this zone in our hard time frame. There is nothing special at all. If you are maybe to press your sell button here, you might find yourself losing money, because these are only just 1-2 candles and one candle here. So it is nothing important here. So you see, you do not have to make conclusion by this these are looking good appearance that this is a resistance or this is what you need to first check on what your big boys are seeing, what your hard time frame is telling you. You need to check what your hard time frame is telling you. So you see, this is not a resistance at all in a hard time frame. So you need to be open-minded as a trader. Don't focus on what is happening where you are. Extend your horizon and look further so that you will be able to analyze clearly. And another thing, another last thing that you need to know when you're trading support and resistance, you need to make sure that you take the favoring side or the long-term side. You take the long-term side. For an example, maybe let's say price is showing maybe a ranging format in your 1 hour time frame, and let's say in your 4 hour time frame, price has been coming from the downward side upward. So now it is beginning to do this. What you need to know is that you need to trust your sellers more than your buyers. Why? Because if you see a consolidation in the market, you need to know that a reversal is coming in. If you see a consolidation in the market, it means that there is negotiation taking place. There are some negotiation that are occurring. So price might reverse. For an example here, it is very, very risky to smash your sell button. It is less risky to smash your buy button. So make sure that you choose wisely the side that you want to support, even in a ranging market. So here it is very dangerous to buy. It is to sell. I mean, it is better to buy. Why? Because we see price consolidating from an downward move, which means now there are some negotiations and deals that are taking place here. So chances are price will push and break in the upper side. So please remember to hit the subscription button. I love you. This is for Pti Trading Institution. Peace.